Hi everyone, I'm Mathieu from ShapeDiver, and welcome to a new episode of our 2-Minute Tuesdays videos, where I introduce the ShapeDiver feature in a couple of minutes. Today I'll talk about the import and export parameter values feature, which is available to our users from designer accounts, Designer Plus, Business and above. And it's a feature that allows to save the state of a model, but as a local file that can then be shared and reused later to continue to load it and continue configuring the same model. So for example, here I have this model open. I can update a few parameters from it like this. And then once I'm happy, I can export parameter values, which will create and download a JSON file containing the list of values and names of all parameters, as well as their ID, which is how we identify them on the ShapeDiver platform. Once I have this file, I can leave the ShapeDiver platform, come back later, or even share the file with someone else. And whoever opens the model can import parameter values, load the file that was saved, and see the same state that was contained in the file, and then continue playing with the same model on the platform. So this feature is especially useful because it is part of the iframe as well. So if you have an iframe on your own website, your end users can then use it to save the state of a model and come back to your website later and continue configuring the same model by loading the file that they saved. Another application is that using some scripting in Grasshopper, as well as our JSON components, I can import this JSON file and load directly inside Grasshopper the values that are contained in the file. So for example, here, if I change some parameters, now I can reference the file that I saved, load it, and I can see exactly the same state here. So that's it for today. If you have more questions about this feature or any other, you can go to ShapeDiver.com or to our forum, ask questions there. And you can follow our channel on YouTube if you want more tips like this one. We will have a lot more in the future. Thank you. Goodbye.